kitchen. So today we are making chili sauce for chili cheese dogs. So this is what we are going to be building up to today. So I really do want to thank everybody for coming back, and to all my viewers I want to say thank you and welcome to any new viewers. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's make chili dog sauce for chili cheese dogs. For our hot dog chili sauce, you're going to need the following: onion, olive oil, garlic, tomato paste, beef broth, chili powder, ground cumin, salt, pepper, garlic powder, cayenne, and ground beef. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have our olive oil heated up over a medium-high heat. So to this we are going to add in our onions. Grab this beef here. And we're going to saute these down for about 5 minutes. So this has been going for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, our onions are starting to turn golden. So to this we are going to add in our minced garlic, and we're going to let this cook for about a minute or two. Alright, so this has been going about a minute. So now we are going to add in our tomato paste. And we're going to then let this cook for about 2 minutes. Alright, so now we are going to add in our 2 cups of beef broth. Going to give that a quick stir. Then we are going to add in our cayenne, chili powder, salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, and black pepper. And we're going to give this a quick stir. And we're going to let this come up to a light boil. Alright, as you can see, our sauce has come up to a light boil, and to this we're going to add in our ground beef. Going to mix this in, and we definitely want to break this up. And if you find that your chili sauce is a little too thick, you can always add a little bit more broth or water. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cover this and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. So this has been going for 30 minutes. Give this a quick stir, and I did add a little bit more broth to mine, as I like my chili sauce to be a little bit thinner. So we're going to give this a taste test and see if it needs anything. Perfect. So now that this is ready, let's build our hot dogs. So now that we've got everything ready for our chili dogs, so we've got our hot dog on a bun, and we're going to add just a bit of ketchup. Not everybody likes ketchup, and I think ketchup is a no-no for hot dogs, but you know what? I'm sorry. I like ketchup and mustard on my dogs. So we're going to add some ketchup and mustard, and then some of our chili sauce. And then we're going to top that with some cheese. And now we're ready to eat. So now that we've got our chili dogs built, let's give these suckers a try. And who doesn't like a good chili cheese dog? Oh yeah. Definitely a keeper. So I hope you do give this chili cheese sauce See, I am just all tongue-tied today. That's how good it is. So I hope y'all do try this chili dog sauce. It is really, really good. It's got a nice kick to it. Not a kick to it, but good flavor. And so let me know if you try this and leave a message in the comments below. And as always, I want to thank everybody for watching. And for my new viewers, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. So I'm going to finish up my chili dog. And until next time, joy cooking in the kitchen.